Welcome to the KS-233A installation tutorial. Before beginning installation, ensure all operations are performed by professional and qualified electrical technicians who are familiar with the local standards and safety regulations. Before installation, carefully check the equipment to ensure the model matches the order. All components are complete and there is no damage. Once the equipment is in place, begin installing the enclosure panels. First install the front and rear panels, then secure the left and right side panels. Make sure each panel is fixed using the correct bolts and fasteners. Using appropriate cables and connectors. Pay special attention to the grounding wire and electrical connections to prevent any electrical faults. After connecting all cables, perform a power-on test. The KS-233A. It is equipped with an intuitive local touchscreen and cloud platform, allowing you to easily monitor system status, view alarm logs, adjust settings, and manage device operations. After the installation is complete, close the equipment door and store the key safely. If everything is normal, the device will begin operating.